Does the thought of staring into a camera lens drain your battery before you even hit record? For introverts, YouTube often feels like a trap. You have the ideas, the strategy, and the deep insights, but the performance part, the high energy, the retakes, the perfect smile leads straight to burnout. But what if you could separate your face from your brain? What if you could scale your channel without ever having to perform again? Today, we're talking about how introverts are winning by using AI clones. Welcome back. I'm Sheldon Sims, and on this channel, we believe in systems luck. There's a massive misconception that to win on YouTube, you need to be a loud, extroverted personality type who loves the spotlight. That is false. In fact, your introverted nature, your ability to analyze, plan, and think deeply is actually your superpower, but only if you have the right leverage. Today, I'm going to show you how to bridge the gap between camera shyness and consistent content using AI clones. Here's the reality for us introverts. Social interaction, even with a camera lens, is an energy tax. When you have to film a 10-minute video, you aren't just sharing information. You are worrying about your lighting, your tone, your facial expressions, and keeping your energy up so the algorithm likes you. By the time you finish one video, you're too exhausted to think about the next one. This is why so many smart introverts quit. They don't quit because they lack ideas. They quit because the process of filming is unsustainable for their nervous system. You need a system that protects your energy so you can focus on what you're actually good at, the strategy and the content itself. This is where AI clones like the ones from Hagen become the ultimate leverage. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. My niece, who is a skeptical astrophysicist, always asks me, Sheldon, isn't that fake? Won't people know it's a robot? Here is the truth. People watch YouTube for value, not just for your pores. When you build a high-quality AI clone, you film yourself once, just once, when your energy is perfect. You capture your best self. From that point on, that clone becomes your delivery system. This removes the friction. You can write a script at 6:20 a.m. in your pajamas with messy hair, feed it to your system, and your clone delivers it with perfect eye contact and perfect energy. You are no longer limited by how you feel or look on a specific day. You are only limited by your ideas. This is how you scale. While the extroverts are burning out, trying to maintain hype every single day, you are quietly building a library of content. You are turning your channel into an ideas first space. Because you aren't spending 4 hours setting up lights and doing 20 takes, you can spend those 4 hours researching better topics, analyzing your analytics, and refining your scripts. This is the definition of systems over luck. You aren't hoping you have the energy to film, you have a system that films for you. If you are an introvert, stop trying to play the extrovert's game. You will lose. Instead, play to your strengths. Use technology to handle the delivery so you can handle the thinking. If you want to see exactly how I build these systems and use leverage to grow without the grind, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop relying on luck and start building your system. I'll see you in the next one.